Okay, when you have a lot of numbers for the mean and you understand how to calculate this by hand, but you want an easier option, what you can do is open it in Excel. And I've already done this one time, but I'm going to show you again. Once you get in Excel, you can do equals mean. Sorry, equals average. Because the mean is the average. And here is your answer. You're going to round to 2 decimal places, so you can either do this yourself or even Excel will round for you, and it rounds to 4.64. So that's your mean. To find your median, you can just put equals median, highlight your values, and there's your median. And then to get your mode, you do equal mode. And I think we can try multi, but I don't think, okay, so the mode is 4.9. There was not more than one mode. If you're not sure, you can always go to this sort up here and sort from smallest to largest, and 4.9 you can see is the mode here. A thing about the median, if you were doing this by hand, you would want the middle number. So if you divided 22 by 2, you would get the 11th number. Let's think about the 11th number. There are 10 numbers above, and then there are, let's see, 12, 13, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 numbers. So when you divide by, if it's an even number, you're going to do the 11th and the 12th number. You have 2 middle numbers. So now we have 10 here, and then we have 10 here. If we take the average of these 2 middle numbers, well, they're the same, so the median would still be 4.7. So I just wanted to explain that if you were calculating the median by hand. Now going back to your problem, so the mode is 4.9. All right, because the median here is bigger than the mean. So the median is greater than the mean, which means the mean is going to be to the left. And when the mean is to the left of the median, then it is left skewed. Let me know if you have any questions.